On Sunday, activist Teesta, who campaigned to get justice for victims of the 2002 religious violence, was arrested by the Gujarat police. The police have accused her of committing forgery and fabricating evidence, among other charges. Hours after her arrest, protests broke out in several states of the country. In Bangalore, citizen groups, activists, and lawyers protested near the city civil court today.
तीस्ता सीटल वर्ड फोर्जरी करिया उसमें अरेस्ट भी करिया ये देश इट्स ए रूल ऑफ लॉ तीस्ता सीटल वर्ड टू गेट जस्टिस टू द helpless victim, brutalized victim. She took them to various courts to get justice. She was in the process of getting justice through court of law, which is not against constitution, which is protected under Article 22, 20, subclass 3, Article 19 of the Constitution. When Gujarat police went against the legal and constitutional methods, it was great Sita's Ketal Ward who took independently to get justice to the victims of Ahmedabad, Gujarat riot perpetrated when Modi was the chief minister.
We have only one window, that is courts. For here afterwards, even approaching the court itself is very frightening. It is. We are condemning this issue, and mainly we are asking for release of Teesta and Sreekumar, particularly. Even Sanjeev Bhatt also, he has been also victimized. He has been arrested since years. He is in the jail. There is no reason at all. There is no primary evidence for all this. Without having anything, how can they take her into the custody? Only after the yesterday the Supreme Court give the verdict, the next day itself she has been taken into the custody. What it means? Don't you think it is prejudice? See, we are facing the fascist government. Here afterwards, the clients will afraid of courts.
Down, down, down. Illegal arrest, down, down. Down, 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 down. Undemocratic arrest, down, down. Down, 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 down. Unconstitutional attitudes, down, down. Down, 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 down. Gujarat police, down, down. Down, 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 down. Teesta arrest, down, down. Down, down, down. Down, 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 down. Fascism, down, down. Down, 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 down. Right politics, down, down. Down, 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 down. Corporate fascism, down, down. Down, 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 down. Undemocratic corporate police, down, down. Down, 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 down. It has not even happened during Hitler regime. This type of activities not happened during Mussolini regime or Franco, Pinchot, Suharto regime. This is not just fascism. This arrest of Teesta Setalwad indicates India is under the process of fascism plus. This has to be condemned. We as an advocate, we condemn this illegal arrest. We condemn this. See, law is to everyone. Process of law, rule of law is the basic structure of the Constitution. Now Gujarat police violated it. Therefore, we condemn it.
So as a citizen of the country, I am asking my Supreme Court and I am asking those in power, do ordinary citizens not have the right to question injustice when they see it? Zakia Jafri has every right, as one of the main victims of this, to seek justice, to say that there is a conspiracy, that the government did not stand by me and my husband and all my people who were burned. She has every right to go and ask for justice. Now can you say, so what are we being told today in this country? What is the ordinary citizen? What is the message that is being passed to the ordinary citizen? Do not ask for rights. Do not speak up when you see any injustice. Do not do it. Please keep your mouth shut. The government is doing everything that it can for the people. The people have no right to open their mouths. Is this what this government and is this what our courts are telling us? This is my question. I don't want to make any statements. I'm asking a simple question to the structures of justice and governance in this land. Are you telling your people to not speak up when they see a violation of a right, when they are seeing injustice? Are you telling all of us, do not speak up? That is my question as a citizen of this country.